all of the Run Disney tents are still up, and we have about the longest walk to take to get in to EPCOT tonight.
Listen, Festival of the Arts is the real deal. It doesn't stop from park open to park closed. We're still showing up. Guests are showing up every minute. First of all, it's dark. We didn't get out of work, or we didn't get out till later because we had to pay all the expensive auto things. We realized when we got pulled over. Sarah, can you, if we have a shot of that somewhere, can you put it here? But we're getting, we made great time overnight, but not without consequence.
The minute we crossed over the Illinois border, we got pulled over for speeding.
When I got pulled over for speeding when we were driving to Chicago, I pled guilty to that, so I'm officially a criminal. I went online, pled guilty, paid the fine, paid my parking ticket from Chicago when I stupidly parked on the wrong side of the street. And then when we got pulled over for the speeding ticket, I realized that our car registration had expired and we never renewed it. So I was trying to figure out all of that today after work.
And real quick, it was really funny because he told me it was like $50-something. I was like, what? Like, I thought it was gonna be over $100. He's like, Sarah, we don't live in Illinois.
We don't live in expensive Illinois where any kind of fee or fine is very expensive. But I just realized as we were shooting that shot just now of the Run Disney stuff, it's probably staying up until Princess.
Oh yeah.
I don't know the route, but if they're gonna use this as the start or finish, it's only 5 weeks. So why tear all that semi-permanent tents down just to put them back up like 3 weeks later?
Right.
All about that Club Cool life.
The pineapple Fanta has been my favorite lately.
Really? It's all about that Sparletto. Next to Beverly, of course.
We're meeting up with friends tonight. We didn't even talk about that.
Yes. Some of our OG YouTube Disney World friends. If you guys have ever seen this YouTube channel by the name of Sessionz, they got sick videos of Disney World, of Europe, of all over.
They just started posting again.
They just started posting again, and I'm super excited. They're great gadget reviews, and they just did like their own DIY, like built a whole second floor of their house. We'll put the video up here and down here or somewhere. It's Justin and Emily from Sessionz. I don't think Madison's with them, or she's not with them tonight at EPCOT. Wait a minute. Look. The talent. I cannot believe this. Like, these are so beautiful, and they're just going to be gone.
There's a rule. I didn't know.
Look at that spaceman. It looks like he's being reflective by the fountain. Ooh, the thing. Ooh, breaking a like third dimension there. Oh, the last one, the kicker. Mr. Incredible. He looks amazing. We found our friends. We found Emily.
Hey!
And Justin's getting that shot. He's doing it for the vlog. We saw the performers over here, and he's like, wait, we gotta check this out. Hold on. Look, they redid this with like a permanent register and bar. What? We're here to try to reclaim our dignity.
Why?
Because last festival, these two kicked our butts at the competition. Madison won.
Everybody voted. It was Woody, right?
It's the young artist that won, but she's not here right now, so it's any of our game.
So she's going down for sure.
Yeah. Justin is trying to intimidate me last minute by pulling out the fancy new guns with this DJI Osmo right before we're about to do this drawing competition.
That's his power move.
Right, it is. I'm not okay with this. So we had a good spot. Our teacher's about to begin. I'm hoping we draw Figment, but who knows?
Ooh.
Get down.
Oh, that's legit. That looks really good.
Sign mine.
What's that?
Sign it, Peter. Peter is taking pictures of them so that we can leave the vote for Twitter. But you can put in the comments what you think. Emily, let's see yours.
I don't like mine.
He's cute. He looks like a teenage Donald.
He does. We have a couple different stages of life here. This is the saddest part of life. You guys want to get on this and try it?
They look beautiful.
I'm really full. I've been eating all day.
How was the first one, Peter?
This is my favorite dish, one of my top 5 of any festival.
Really? You love
I
them?
do love horse and cheese.
It's the cheese, it's a savory, it's the cronut. It's all so good.
Yeah, the garlic seems pretty legit too. Is that what that one is?
So we're just strolling around World Showcase now, killing time, seeing if there's anything else we want to grab to eat from the festival. These two goons are going home tomorrow, and it's the last time they're ever gonna probably see IllumiNations, unless they're gonna surprise me with a trip between now and the end of summer.
I say no for sure, but it's never really for sure. This trip wasn't actually supposed to happen.
Yeah, when did you guys actually book this?
Like 2 weeks ago.
Right, I thought it kind of like crept up, and I was like, did I forget that they were coming?
Well, what happened is our annual passes expire in 2 weeks.
Oh, so you got to use them.
And I said, hey, like, we should go.
You guys not re-upping?
No.
Well, you got other things going.
Well, we pull our DVC points, so every other year we pull them together, and that year we'll do annual passes. So, trying to be smart.
He's a thinker. He's a thinker.
Another set with Kevin and Carrie just ended.
Today is officially a festival eating day. We got the trio of croissants. Now we're getting the beef Wellington from America, and America's one of my favorite festivals, locations. Here it is, the beef Wellington. And Sarah didn't say she wanted it, but over there is the trio of chocolate. There's 3 spinning chocolate containers, 3 different white chocolate, dark chocolate, and milk chocolate. But we got this right now. We're not on sweets yet, we're still on savory. She's trying the beef Wellington. This is when you know you're with other vloggers, when we got lighting setups.
Dual lighting, yeah.
With cell phones all over the place.
That's super good.
Is it hot? Mm-hmm. Is it amazing? Mm-hmm. Good. Justin just said he may have never seen all of IllumiNations before. And this is going to be literally the last time they're ever going to see this, because they're not coming back between now and when it ends.
So I kind of vaguely remember there's like a ball that opens. It's a
How am I standing here with you? Like, this is why. You waited like till we knew each other for a solid like 2 years.
Yeah.
And you're like, alright, he's not gonna hate me now.
Yeah, I never ever got that. Like, I was always a Wishes guy or a Phantasmic. I love those, so I feel like we have that in common, at least. I mean.
Yeah, we'll work through it. Off camera.
And this is going away, so you can't hate me after it's gone. It's not my fault. Maybe it is. If I had watched it more, Disney would have been like, see, it's still popular, Justin watches it.
And though each of us has our own individual stories to tell, a true adventure emerges when we bring them all together as one. The entire EPCOT family thanks you for having been with us.
Oh my gosh,
for
it was life-changing.
Reflections of Earth.
I told you the fire was gonna happen right there. Yeah. The first one didn't go off, and I told Justin's like, is this gonna like self-explode on us? And I was like, I don't know, but it might.
I'm like resting the camera on Emily, and the cannon goes off, and she's like, so I'm sure my footage is like.
No. Popped into Rose and Crown. What did you get?
A black and tan. 2 of them. He copied me.
Look at what we got in the mail today. Just for being members. It's a wonderful new addition to our crazy side of our fridge. But hey, it's a new look.
Wait a minute. Wait. We didn't. Wait. We were bad friends and bad vloggers and didn't even vlog saying bye to Justin and Emily. So we are sorry, Justin and Emily.
So happy it worked out.
Make sure you check out their vlog.
Yeah.
They're just great people.
Yeah.
And we
good
love
tech reviews, good travels.
good people. We just love
people.
Any chance we get to spend any of their time on their vacation, we love seeing them.
And we're thankful for. So we're going to check off our 2 first to-do lists that I wrote on this. Just pay the speeding ticket and pay the parking ticket. I should have had registration
but we didn't know about that.
So, okay, our thing for today is time has a wonderful way of showing us what really matters. Margaret Peters.
I still love yesterday's the most.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Long one. Go back to yesterday's vlog and go to the end to listen to it because it's like a whole paragraph.
Yeah. Also, Peter's officially not the pot sticker reigning champion.
Sarah, I think you should like pull their vlog off the internet and put just a section where Ryan eats the last 32nd.
Mm-hmm. No, you need one more. 32. 32, so Peter... Oh my God. Oh, yes. 32. It's over.
So Ryan from Theme Park Ohana has been telling me ever since I ate 30 pot stickers that he'd be able to eat more when they were going in January. And that happened the other day. And Ryan's a good, strong man, and he ate, I think, 31 or 32 pot stickers.
32.
So he has trumped me when it comes to eating pot stickers. But I believe the conversation via Facebook we had months ago was, if you can eat more than me, then we would go back after a good recovery time for him, because I want him to be 100% ready to do it all again, that we would go to Ohana together, and we would go head to head and eat pot sticker, you know?
Oh my God, like one after the other, like...
Well, we have to talk to him, because I think it should be strictly pot sticker, but I also think there's inherently something wrong going to Ohana and not having the other food.
You can bring food home now, which is a game.
So we should go, and Ryan and I should only eat pot stickers and get all there and get everything else, the bread, salads, noodles, meats to go. But check out their videos, subscribe to their channel. They're a great family. But definitely watch that vlog. It's their anniversary vlog, and then they're just exploring Polynesian, but then halfway through it to the end is their Ohana experience, where Ryan's devouring all the pot stickers, and I gotta give him mad respect and mad props, but he ultimately is going to lose to me.
Are we signing off?
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.